To disable Talkback in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to learn how to navigate your phone. So usually all you have to do is swipe with two fingers instead of one to swipe around or scroll down. Or alternatively, if you want to press on something, you will need to press on one icon once and then double press on it to activate it. With that knowledge, we should be able to deactivate our Talkback. So first we need to find a settings, which usually are right here.
Settings.
Then we can go to accessibility.
Back, double tap, accept.
And then enter Talkback.
Talkback.
Here's a switch.
Talkback. Turn off. Turn off.
And then you can turn it off.
Turn off. Talkback off.
And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.